We're heading over to Julian. It's a small little city near San Diego, kind of near San Diego. It's actually really far away from us. And we're only going just for some pie. Yes, you heard me right, for some apple pie. And I've been there a few years ago, but we're actually going just because we saw it on TikTok somewhere. And I'll be taking you guys with me. I'm gonna link all of that information below. Paper Peony anniversary gift order today, and if you guys didn't know, the first year anniversary gift is actually something paper. It's like a tradition, I guess. So if you guys are interested, a paper flower would be a super cute anniversary gift. And after, I'm going to have my kid help me make some Halloween gifts. So that's what I'll be working on today in my workspace.
I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to feel anything that I see over there smiling. And it all comes back, it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find another endings. Won't you come on over later and smile? Time, is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not this from February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
You could do the eye part, okay?
Have you got something to say now?
It's on this side.
'Cause I've been holding my breath. I've got a bad habit of talking too much.
It's okay.
It usually ends in regret. But then I see you over there dancing. And it all slows down, it all slows down. I'm rushing in.
And I like it kind of like a little bit. No, it doesn't have to be straight. Just like
Won't you come on over later and waste all of my precious time? Is this what it looks like, honey?
I'm all dressed up for my workshop today. We're heading over to downtown Santa Ana doing my paper flower workshop. This is my last standard paper flower workshop for the year before we go into the holidays. I'll be linking the holiday flower classes below if you are interested. But yeah, I typically like to wear some type of floral, so this is my outfit.